Papa-picture daw kami dito. Oh.
Hi.
So ito po yun. Welcome to Woodlawn Regional Park. December 17 to January 1st. Ayan po. Ito po yung tao ng Festival of Lights dito sa amin, dito sa mga golf course. Ito po yung pinaka gate ng Woodlawn Clubhouse. Ayan. Alright. Para makita nyo guys yan. Dito na kami. Ngayon pa to nag-start daw? O nakaraang gabi pa? Dito na naman kami. Festival of Lights.
May entrance daw.
Wala. Libre yan. No? Dito kami sa
Yan, meron ka na naman iba-vlog.
Ayan. So ito na naman yung ating bagong video na naman. Meron na akong upload nito na yearly. So pangatlo to. Ito po yung bukana, yung gate. Ayan. Welcome to Festival of Lights. Ayan.
Festival of Light.
So nag-start pala siya ng December 17. Ayan po.
Si Santa Claus, nag-welcome na.
December 17 to January 1st. Ayan. Ay, parang may nakasunod sa likuran.
Lalian mo na kasi.
Welcome. Dito na kami.
Welcome, dito na kami.
Ito po yung gate. Ayan, si Santa Claus. Ayan. Kaway-kaway. At kami ay papasya.
Malawak pala eh. Malawak lang talaga ito.
So, sundan mo lang yung Noy. Yung ating arrow. Ayan. Yeah.
Yeah, that's before, that's a year.
So this is
Inside, entrance, Festival of Lights.
ito na po yung bukana. Ayan. Susundan mo lang po yung aming
Tama dyan?
yung
Pwede ba dito?
direction, yung arrow.
Mga bawal dyan.
Welcome. Okay lang yan. Di.
Naalala ko na rin sa Sirikan, dahil tuwista dyan.
Ito po kami.
Sa Quezon City.
Ng mga Christmas lights.
Yan.
At ngayon natin titingnan ulit kung may
Gandara.
pinagkaiba nung compare sa previous. Oh,
Merry Christmas.
meron yung heavy equipment yan na pinaikutan ng mga lights. Like it, CJ? Alright. Ganda, ang ganda.
Estevan PM.
Konti pa lang ngayon nang napunta. Fire department. Nag-display.
Display. Car department. Sila yung
Ganda, ganda. Kung sa Pilipinas, merong ganito sa mga plaza. Meron din dito kami. Ayan.
yan. Siya. Sana, di ka na mag-video darling. Yan pa siya.
Ito.
Nag-video na kayo, sabay pa.
Tulog ka na.
Ito na kayo kasi tatlo na tayong
Ayan, ito po. Ito po.
ito naman yung police department.
So, ito yung RCMP. Ayan.
So,
Ano nga yung RCMP no? Royal Canadian Mountain
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. Mountain Police.
Canadian.
Ito po.
Mountain Police. Ha?
Pwede po ba?
Pwede lakarin. Yan.
Sa Mamirad.
Ano mga pa-picture yan? Sa mga gilid-gilid ba?
Enjoy watching guys. Yan. Dito po kami ngayon sa Festival of Lights. Yan.
Maganda ng ilaw.
Walking in the winter wonderland.
Wonderland. Ang Wonderland. Kami po
Pang 3 days na pala. Pang 3 gabi na ngayon. Nag-start nung 17. Yan. So medyo mahabang-habang ano to.
This doesn't seem like a place where those are the fake Santa.
Nasusundan kaming coach.
Which one? This one?
Sila na yung may
Alright. Hello.
Ayan. Doon tayo. Punta tayo doon. Parking tayo. Ayan o. Dami o. Dami yung ano ko ah. Dami yung aking viewers.
Someone be
Ay, ang ganda oh. Wow, kita niyo yun, ang ganda. Linaw.
that's me.
Ang linaw.
The car.
Yan.
Oh, there's a car.
So, pinukuhanan ko yung bandang kaliwa namin.
Ay, ang laki ng Santa oh.
Ayan.
Santa.
Dito si Sublang laki.
Ayan, ayan. CJ.
Millennium. It's the Grinch. Looks nothing like the Grinch. It looks like the Grinch out of budget.
Baka hindi dyan pwede.
May nag-park dito. May nag-park dito.
Hindi ka na makaahon dyan no ya.
Tulak ko.
Lalakarin ang haba niya no eh.
Dito lang muna tayo sa pwede natin punta.
Ano mga picture lang.
Picture? Okay, picture muna daw. Okay.
Tayo.
Destroyed.
Very watch out. Pwede ko rin kasi yan. Cry. I'm telling you why. Santa is coming.
Bro,
Napunta ko na yung ano.
CJ, soccer is top
Nilalawa niyo doon.
comedy.
Ano, GBC?
Yeah, you know how Miss Maytopher teaches
Sinama-
us for
sinama ko
gym?
Kumain kami.
Yeah.
Pag
she
masarap mga
always
pagkain sa ano eh.
Does soccer
Gusto mo kumain ng
all,
sisig? Sabi ko,
all
"Oh,
the
masarap
time,
yun."
but not like every
Tigas na lang.
time. All the
Kumain
time.
kami ng sisig.
Bro,
Sabi, "Di ba,
Ben
kumain
makes
ng
it
sa-"
so hilarious.
Okay, ito po.
Only Hunter and then
Punta kami ng
Is
pet
it-
store.
only them.
Yeah.
Why?
May ano, may binigay na
I have
pang
no idea.
raffle doon. Pag mabulot yung pangalan niya.
Also, why do you guys roast them so badly?
Sa
Like, what
Eh,
roasts do you
sa
say? So basically, if I
sa
say
salvation.
who cares
bumili ka.
and they say about you,
Di ba mayroon kang
about you, I would say
Hindi, 22 pa
two.
yun.
So basically,
Sige,
who cares
say
about
hi.
you?
22
Hello.
yun, di ba?
Merry
Hi.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Anong araw yun? Ayan o. Look oh.
CJ,
The
look at that.
Bruins.
Nothing.
Look there, eh?
Colors. Ayun.
Ayun.
Why are
mga
they
ano.
so short? Why are they so short?
Where? Oh,
They're so short. Why are they so short?
nice.
Yung sumasayaw si Snowman.
Nice word.
Oh, what happened to Santa Claus?
Oilers. So,
I gotta
umikot lang tayo,
see
no?
you
Paikot
guys
lang.
trying to roast and then
May Bible camp
Jason
dito
and
pala.
so
Pwede tayo dito. Pwede sa may
Wait,
Bible camp.
it would be top comedy.
May Bible
maybe.
camp dito.
Unless you guys try starting to roast me too.
Isang.
Yeah, I have a feeling you're just gonna try and roast me as well. I don't have any. which I can't blame you for. I dressed very ridiculously for school.
Ay, mga madiro.
Saan?
Oh, madiro. Sa Estevan, maraming diro.
And do you know,
Ay,
like,
paring rap,
do you know,
Merry
like,
Christmas.
I have one. What if they
Ikot
say
kami dito
your
sa
dad left with the milk? I would
lights,
say at least
festival
I have a
lights
dad.
ng wood lang.
If someone says your dad
Ikot
left
lang.
with the milk, I would say at least I have a dad.
Pailaw sila.
What is that left you?
Ilaw, paliwanag.
Yeah, but I
Namasyal kami.
Pailaw.
Nah, bro.
May
If
federation.
you said that to me, I would just say this.
Maglo.
Well, at least I didn't leave for the milk as casual. At least my
New
mom
Year.
didn't.
All the best in New Year.
Nah, bro, you're not ran out of milk. We do have milk. We have almond milk. No, you don't get it. You don't get it.
Ito na, pison, pison.
It's a clean mind for you.
Yan, nakatawa sino yan? Yung nasa taas.
You will get it when you're older. Do you know, like, if they say keep
nakatawa.
rolling, you might find your brain. You might find your brain.
Oh, sa tulay
I
na
would
kami,
say at least
tulay.
you have a brain.
Bye. Uy, donation pala. Oh, sayang.
Like if they say,
Oh,
if
donation
I
na tayo.
roll my eyes and they say keep rolling, you might find your
Bariya no, may bariya ka
I
nun.
would say at least I have a
Kaya ng
brain.
donation niya.
Me. What brain cell that is? I don't get that. A brain cell is your IQ. If you don't know what IQ is, it means you're smart. Meaning you have
Yung
one
tulay.
IQ. What's 5
Tatawid kami sa tulay.
5 divided into 10? 2.
Ito, magbibigay po
White
ng
roof, Jane. But it's not even a
donation,
white
yeah.
roof, you idiot.
Siyempre, kasi
Car roof, Jane. Huh?
Ano lang pala, follow.
In a reverse. Card.
Sorry. Yan lang kaya namin.
Well, do you know like people in my class? No.
Tapos na po. Tapos na po yung pasyal sa mga pailaw.
You want to know something that
Wala na.
that
Golf
was
course ito,
hilarious
golf course.
that happened? What?
Sa amin
So,
magugod tayo
here are
na
two
yun.
things that happened.
Nagkakaya kami dyan.
So,
Pababa.
the first thing is I slapped Mason's
Saan tayo
Mason at the back
mag-fishing
of the head with one of my
Dito?
gloves, and he just started chasing me around the
So, paano tayo
hall,
napunta dito na?
around the classroom until eventually caught
Dito
him.
na ba yan?
Tayo, palabas.
And you want to know how he was walking? He was like this. Yeah, but you were like walking like this.
Labas na kami.
Is how you walking? Also, what? Here's the most dumbest part about